Hi guys, last class of the day. Okay? We've done 2 already. This is our last effort for today. Remember, it's just Monday. Yeah? Don't think we are going on holidays or it's the weekend already. Just first day, last class of the day. Science. Parts of the plant. Plant. Super fast. Super fast because we've done this before and we should super know it by now. This one. Yep, flower. Super. This one. Sorry? Leaves. Thanks. This one. The long standing one. Stem. And the ones that we normally can't see. Sometimes we can't see them, but we normally can't see. Yes, roots. These 4 parts can be found in every single plant, okay? We've got them everywhere and we can see them. If we take a plant out of the earth, you will be able to see the roots. That's not a problem, yeah? Now, last week, you remember, we talked about plants needing light. Yeah? We were talking about plants needing light to live. If or they don't need light. And we concluded, we decided that yes, they do need light. Some need more, some need less. But all of the plants need light to be able to survive. It is one of the needs they have. Yeah? So, very fast, who can tell me the plant's needs? What does it need to be able to survive? To be able to live? Yeah? We saw 2 very important things last week. It has more. Yeah? Not all of them need all of the needs we're going to see later. But the main ones they need are water and light. Well done. Those are 2 big important needs that my plant, that they all need to be able to survive. Good one. Today we're going to talk about something just a little bit further apart from this. Sorry, I nearly dropped. Hot and cold. What happens in listen to what I'm saying, extremely hot or cold places? How do you think the plants will be? Will there be any plants? Will we find any plants? Will we find the same plants that we find in our gardens, for example? Or at the schoolyard? Not really, right? No, we don't. Extremely, remember, super hot places like a desert and extremely cold ones like the Arctic or the Antarctic. Yeah? I'm not just talking about Santiago when it's winter or when it's summer. No. I'm talking about extreme weather. Yeah? Super extreme weather. Yeah? When we get together again at school, we're going to look for some pictures about extreme weather to see if there are any plants or not. And if there is, how are they? What do they look like? Are they the same ones I've got here, right here outside? Or are they a bit different? As we were talking, last week we were talking about giving water to a plant. It needs water. But if I fill it with water and I put a lot of water in, will it survive? No, it'll probably drown, right? Plants need water, but not a whole ocean of water. Yeah? a little bit of heat and a little bit of cold. But they don't need extreme heat and extreme cold. Yeah? Remember, everything has to be balanced. Not too much, not too little. Yeah? You remember that? That is for everything. That is for plants, that is for human beings, it's for animals, it's for everything. Not too much of one thing and not too much of the other thing. If we go halfway and we've got a balanced climate in this case, the plants will be more than fine. Yeah? Okay. So, the activity we're going to do today is going to be quite a different activity. Sorry, I think I disappeared from you guys. But I'm just getting out my papers. Ta-da! I'm back. Oh, I nearly dropped everything. Okay. So, remember, any paper, okay? Any paper at all. You're going to get your paper and you're going to fold it longwise, okay? You're going to fold it in half longwise. So now we're going to have to the long side, yeah? Fold it longwise. If we fold it the other way, this activity will not work, okay? Once I've got it like this, I'm going to fold it again in half, yeah? I've got this long one. I fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it in half again, yeah? And when I open it, ta-da! I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 different parts. They're super clearly marked, yeah? So, with my scissors, I'm going to lift one of the covers, not both of them, because if we cut both of them, you'll have 4 separate ones. I'm going to cut just the top cover on the line up to the middle, yeah? So I'm going to cut, cut, and cut. So I will have 4 different flip-flaps to lift up. So I've got my flip-flap book now. This is called a flip-flap book because the flaps go up and down. And I've got 4 different parts. Yeah? Who can see where we're going? Yes. On the cover of my flip-flap book, I'm going to write the 4 different parts of the plant. Root, stem, leaf, and flower. Okay? And on the inside, remember I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have the top one, right? The flap. I am going to write and make a very small drawing what these guys do. So the root absorbs water, and it looks something like this. Yes? Very simple drawings. Then we go to the stem. What does the stem do? It blah blah blah. And you draw it. The leaf, blah blah blah, and you draw it, and the flower as well. So then we will have our flip-flap book. Yeah? Super. And to finish today's class, you've got it in the mail, so don't worry about that. We're going to finish with a short and simple song. Yeah? So I'm going to stand here, see if you can see it. If not, you will be able to hear it. And it's going to be in your materials that I sent this morning. Yeah? So you can see it later. So, each time this guy says something, we will have to repeat it after him. So, are you ready? Okay, let's go. Remember to look and pay attention.
For a plant to stay alive.
For a plant to stay alive.
It needs 5 things I would not lie.
It needs 5 things I would not lie.
It needs water so it can grow.
It needs water so it can grow.
And it needs soil just like so.
It needs soil just like so.
Plants need space, they can't be tied.
They need space, they can't be
The
tied.
sun helps plants by giving light.
The sun helps plants that they give light.
Don't forget to give plants air.
Don't forget to give plants air.
Repeat the needs if you dare.
Repeat the needs if you care.
Need more than water.
Need 2 soil.
Need 3 space.
Need 4.
Light.
Need 5.
Air. A plant.
Great job, guys. See you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.